It was a nice Sunday afternoon and I decided to cycle to Sengkang. When I reached Yishun Dam, it was pouring. Instead of cycling to Sengkang, I decided to cut short my cycling. I have to wait for the rain to stop. I decided to explore Seletar Rower Bay. There's a park connector at Seletar Club Road. The connector runs along the edge of Lower Seletar Reservoir. This connector will lead to a dead end. In the future, I hope that the connector will go all the way out to Lentor Avenue. Although I have to turn back to Rower Bay, I like the quietness of the connector park. At the Rower Bay, some people were fishing. There was a beautiful sunset over the reservoir. A few people were taking pictures or video of the awesome sunset. From Yishun Dam, the Seletar Reservoir looks picturesque with the setting sun. It was a refreshing workout. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel for future updates.